Yeah, welcome in. One Powerglide, 1967 HR Ute. Since we did the carby, last episode on the Ute, stick the size 9 in it, and what's it do? Flares like mad. So before we pull the pants off it, or pull it out altogether and send it away for a very expensive repair that I can't afford, we'll try and do the simplest thing. Adjust the band. Pretty easy job. Put one of these on so I can get you up in there. Hang on, I'll turn that off and start again. Yeah, these Powerglides. Get my torch up there so you can actually see what's going on. To adjust the band. Back off the lock nut. Screw that in till it's firm, then do it up with an inch-pound tension wrench. Not a foot-pound tension wrench, an inch-pound tension wrench. 72 inch-pounds, and then back it off 3.5 turns and lock it up. That should be it. You know, some will say, oh, back it off 4 turns and I can, you know, stand on one leg, but that's the specs for it. So let's have a go before we spend a bloody fortune. Let's see what happens. Alright, old Truxty 9/16. Back that off. Well, my hand's in the way. Got him marked there. Could you count someone? Guy at the back drinking that beer. You're probably not going to be much help. Get off. 1, 2. Oh, good catch. 3. Whoa, this is not good. I don't think it was that far out of adjustment. Old Powerglide, she could be, it's coming around for 4. Get the tension wrench on her and see what, how much more we get out of it. Not the best using a tension wrench with extensions and universal joints, and things banging up against the bloody floor pan. Probably if you wanted to do this properly, you could drop the rear cross member down a bit, make life easy for you. But that's it. And 4.5 turns. So it's about 1 turn out of adjustment. Oh, we'll just wind him back out. Exactly 3.5 turns. Okay. Let's not get that mark confused with the other one. Double turn, please. It's off. Oh, cramp. 1. 2. Let me do it one here. That's 3. And off. And lock him back up. Beautiful. Oh, golly. We'll take him for a spin and see what it does. Except we've got one little issue. Someone stole the tail shaft. Now I'm just going to throw some new unis in it. And I won't do that on camera because it's all the armchair experts. You know, whether you put them in with a press, a hammer or a socket, you know, vice. Get some angry neighbour's face and bash them in with that. You know, it's always wrong. So I'll just do it the way I've been doing it for the last 30-40 years. And we'll give them a tail shaft coat of paint. Then get into a few of the other jobs. Well, seeing we're this close, this thing's been sitting for a long time. The tail shaft's just been sitting on the bottom of that seal. Apart from it leaking already, it's probably leaked now like a bloody sieve, so let's just prise that out of there. Look at that. Oh, that's not good. It's got moisture in it too. Oh, that's yucky. Oh, I think we're going to pull the pants off and put the filter in it after all. Oh well, it's got to be done anyway. It's milky. So what we got, hopefully, new one. She's a 98301, packed in Australia but made, you fucking probably have a guess where. Well, sometimes it doesn't pay to be inquisitive. This brake was just dragging a bit while it was up in the air. But I just popped the wheel off while it's up on the hoist. Weave up the adjuster. And thought, oh, he's really smart. And I just can't have a look in there. Ah, yeah. Well, that side's rusted up. That's probably why it's dragging. And that side's got fluid running out of it. Off to Repco we go. Dear Mr. Repco, I'll have 2 of them. The other side won't be much better. When I did get this, the fucking guy said, oh, the previous owner said it's been, had all the fucking brakes done up. I think he was speaking literally, like done up, adjusted up, really tight, and that was about it. Oh well. What else would you rather be doing? Oh, it did work. Yeah. Look at that. Lift. Oh. AL2 says that's spread out. Thank you. Down there with the camera, upset you. Yo. Oh, it's only the neighbour screaming out. Oh, put that out of there. Beautiful. What ugliness do we have in here? Oh no. That's yuck. Oh. I don't think it's supposed to do that. Oh well. The boys from Repco said, like 2 of those here in the morning. Let's see how good they are. Yeah, the other thing you got to watch out for. What I've been doing with these, soaking them, cleaning them with a wire brush, soaking them. And I thought, oh well, they've got to come, wrong end, dickhead. They've got to come off eventually. Look at that. You got to turn the end, and the hose comes with it. So what I've actually done is heated it up with a little butane torch, soaked it some more, hit it with a little tiny hammer, and it has broken free. See, look at that, has broken free. Pipe gets rusted inside there, you turn that, pipe turns, and it snaps off. Then you're in a world of pain. Beautiful. Pop that here. Or not. Oh. There you can see all the rust and CRC and a little bit of temperature that's gone into that. Just saved me a big headache. Right. Some people get bored before I run out of daylight. Give her a quick clean. Get 50 years of gunge out of there. Clean up all the ridges, well, some of the ridges off all the pads so the shoes haven't got a chance to catch. Might even get a total birthday. Give it a deluxe overhaul. So yeah, out with the wire brush, bit of brake clean, more wire brush, more brake clean. Well, looks better than it did before. Well, this side's all back together, and any observant people will notice that that's the original cylinder. It's gone back in. Run a hone through it, cleaned up pretty well. New cylinder's turned up. Have a guess who forgot to order the shoes to go with these type of cylinders. These ones, you got the rod that goes in there and a clevis. These ones act directly on the shoe. Different shoes. Also narrower. So have a guess what I have to do now. I'll put all this back together so I can get it off the hoist, get it on its wheels. Order the right shoes, probably a new set of drums to match, and we'll start again. It's all nice and clean. It's even had a deluxe overhaul. Well, good start. Well, it's always the way. Back brakes got done, uni joints got done, tail shaft even got a deluxe overhaul, rear seal on the gearbox. Took it for a test drive. Late Saturday afternoon. Back brakes worked absolutely perfect. Got halfway around the block. One of the front wheel cylinders had a dummy spit. So we come home, threw a new old one in there. Went out on a community event on the Sunday. By the time I got home, the new old one had started to leak. It had been stored in a fairly warm area. So, just while we're here, just have a look at this. This is your leading shoe. Like you can get, 3-4 fingers in there. And gap, back shoe. That's not a problem. I come around this side, and the young feral picked up. Oh, your shoes are back to front. That one should be there. Whoever did this last time, put them on back to front. I thought, oh yeah, we'll just have a look at what this one's doing. Yep, oh, that looks absolutely beautiful. What's the other side doing? Oh, yep. Hadn't spewed out and gone all over the shoes like the other side and filled the drum up with fluid. But it was about one stop away from doing it. Just waiting for my darling Australia Post delivery girl to roll up. We'll swap them shoes over, cure that. I will get these discs on it one day, but not today. Oh golly. Yes, nut did come undone. Okay, back into it. Well, all done, buttoned up. New cups in the old new cylinders. New, replace this side. Brand new cups in it. Just got to bleed him, adjust him up. Other side's done, even with the through the new cups in that cylinder that started leaking after 15 k's. Don't store stuff in hot areas, please, especially with rubber. Yeah, all good. Give him a bleed, get him off the hoist. Then I'm going to put that XR8 up there and get that ready for Rego. Fix a couple of little leaks and give it a wash too by the look of it. Righto, I'm out of here. See ya.